guys, welcome back to your favorite channel Incredible Sachin. And today guys, I am in the book fair. As you can see, there is lots of book and there are many persons they are purchasing book like but guys, if you want to come here, so you have to face like many problem. First I think you can come from like any metro, so you can come. Okay, so guys, like there are many persons they are purchasing book, and as you can see but guys, what I have to purchase like some book like Atomic Habits, and also whatever I like I will purchase. And I think you have to watch full video, then you will get to know that what kind of book you can get here and what kind of thing you can know. So guys, actually as you can see, there is many person they are roaming, and there is one guy. So excuse me sir.
Yes, sir.
So sir, what's your name?
Actually, my name is Sunny.
So sir, actually I'm recording one video. I have a YouTube channel on YouTube. So sir, where are you from?
Actually, I am from Russia.
Oh, Russia. So how are you sir?
I am fine, sir. What
So
about
sir,
you?
means what kind of thing you wanna like purchase from there?
Actually, I came here in the book fair just to buy some science-related books.
Science related
Yeah,
book.
because I want to become a scientist. you can say.
Scientist.
Yeah.
Okay, so what kind of book like do you want to suggest to our like my viewers?
Actually, here I came to know about the smallest unit of matter to the largest unit of matter.
Okay, so and what kind of book like now you have read?
Actually, before these kind of books, I used to read some philosophy books.
Like this, which kind of philosophy book?
I read a book that's name was how to become people magnet.
Okay.
Yeah, that book I read.
And what kind of thing you got to know in this book, and what kind of like you want
Yeah,
to?
means when I read that book, I thought that it will make me attractive, and it definitely made me attractive. What
Okay.
was in the book, like people are interested to talk about themselves rather than you.
Okay, so like you read so many books, so what kind of book you want to suggest to our viewers that they should read and they should purchase from this book
Yeah,
fair?
actually, I want to suggest only one thing, that reading book is a really good habit. If you just read 1 to 2 pages of a book daily, it will definitely boost your confidence and also your
So like
knowledge.
you came from here Russia,
Yeah.
from Russia. Okay, so I think there is some different quality from there, I think. Okay,
Yeah.
so tell us our view that what kind of thing you found there, and from like there is not this is different from Russia.
Actually, what is happening that in Russia the books available are not as much useful as I want, because the books are really based on normal things, basic things like what is this, how to get confidence. But here in India, in the book fair, I found the deep meaning of deep books. Yeah.
Okay, so thank you sir for connecting with. So as guys, we connected with a person who came from Russia, and he talk about many things like what kind of book he read and what kind of book he read. So I think guys, if you want to come here, so definitely you don't have to purchase only one. I think you should purchase more than 5 and 6 this kind of books. So definitely you should come here to purchase book. And guys, there is also one like seller. I think we should connect with him. Actually, hello sir, what's your name?
Sir, my name is Dinesh.
So sir, actually, please come here. Okay. Okay, so sir, actually I'm YouTuber from Incredible Sachin. So would you like would you like to like something about your shop?
Sir, my shop is one of the best shop in the book fair.
Actually sir, what kind of I want to know that what kind of book you have?
Each and every book that we are providing.
Each and every.
Yeah.
If any book anyone wants and you don't have, so how do you manage this book? Like
So we will manage that book within 30 minutes.
within 30 minutes, really?
Yeah.
So how do you manage this kind of thing?
Yeah, I manage this kind of book just because of my popularity and as well as my YouTube and Instagram channel.
Oh, do you have?
Yeah.
So what's your YouTube page? Like what's your name of your Insta and YouTube page?
Yeah, official Dinesh.
Oh, okay, so guys, if you want any kind of book, so you can go on his page and like follow, and you can we can order from your like Insta page.
Definitely, sir.
So like in every state you can like send a book.
Yeah, what means if a person want to buy my book from my shop, definitely I will provide you in each and every state.
Each and every state.
Yeah.
How
Because
many?
I haven't only this branch. I have only approximately I have 15 to 16 branch.
15 to 16 plus. So sir, actually do you take also delivery charge or something this kind?
Yeah, we take only 50 rupees for delivery charge.
50 rupees. Okay,
Yeah.
so like if I want to purchase Atomic Habits, so how do you manage this book?
we have a lot of stock of Atomic Habits.
So you have.
Yeah.
And if I want like some different book that you don't have, so how do you manage from like from your other?
Yes, sir.
If I want to some different books, so how do you manage?
So we will manage that book in 30 minutes.
In 30 minutes, so means
By my
you,
friend, because my friend has a lot of books. Means approximately millions of books my friend have.
means you have connection in all over the fair.
Yeah.
Okay, so Miss. Okay, so thank you, sir. So guys, okay, actually, sir, I want to know that as you this.
Kush kaun hai?
So actually, sir, my viewer want to know that how much like price you of one book.
Sir, the one book price depend on the book. Means what's the popularity of book? Means what's the demand of book?
And what is cheapest book you have?
I have cheapest book.
Affordable that everyone can purchase.
It's only 70 rupees.
70 rupees. What is the book name?
Yeah, Get Epic Shit Done.
Oh guys, as you can see, this is very demandable book. What's the name of this book?
Get Epic Shit Done, sir.
So guys, as you can see, this is a very demandable book. Get Epics.
Shit Done.
Epics, whatever this is, and this is, I think guys, I have heard so many times on YouTube and also Insta, this is very demandable book that everyone want to purchase, but its price is only 70 rupees. So guys, you can purchase. So sir, how like you sell in very like affordable and cheap price, so how, from where do you purchase this book?
As I've told you that my friend have a lot of books by which I supply, means they supply it to me.
Okay, so thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. So guys, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and Instagram channel.
Okay, thank you, sir. Definitely they will subscribe your channel also. And guys, there is let's connect with the other one who came here or like every day, every weekends that we can say. So there is one person who is purchasing books. So sir, actually, do you mind if I take your 2 minutes?
Yeah, it's okay, sir.
So sir, sir, actually I have YouTube channel.
Yeah, you are a YouTuber, sir.
So if you don't mind, can I take your 2 minutes?
Yes.
So actually, sir, I have YouTube channel and I usually go like to explore new places, and so I came here. So what's your name, sir?
Yeah, sir. My name is Gaurav.
Oh, Gaurav. So sir, where from?
Sir, I'm from Delhi.
Okay.
At Jahangirpuri.
So sir, you come like every weekends?
Yes, sir. I came at the every weekend with my institute
Oh,
students and
okay.
I
So
came
means
in-
you are running an institute.
Yes, sir. I'm running my own institute.
So means you provide the student books.
Yes, sir. I also provide the academic books and also I just have to purchase my novels to just read. And there's too many books which I like. That's why I
Okay,
came here.
which kind of book you like most?
Means I like the criminal based of
Criminal
books
based.
and mysteries books.
Mysteries.
And also I just
One second.
I had just read too many books which is related to love and marriage. Means sir, it is two unique books. We can say that. And
Okay, so sir, actually, our viewer want to know that what kind of book you have read and what kind of book you are providing to your.
I don't provide. I just read and I just purchase. There's a shopkeeper and I purchase that. It's a good shop. And so sir, it's okay, sir.
So sir, actually, where is your branch here in like Delhi?
Sir, my branch is in Mukandapur. You can visit it there. It's just too good place.
Okay, so sir, like you have read so many books. Okay.
Yes, sir, I have read so many books and the volumes of the books.
Okay, so what miss from you like every whatever you want you purchase from there.
Yes, sir.
Also academic books.
Yes, sir, I purchase academic
So, if,
books from my institute to students who don't have money and then I just gift them.
Okay, so means you gift them from your pocket.
Yes, sir. From my pocket I just purchase and then I just gift them.
So I think this
and
is
they just become a richest person in the world, the Mukesh Ambani.
so thank you sir for connecting with it. So guys, like as we connect with many person, and I think I met up one of the best person. Like he give a student a book from his money. I think this is good, and he is running very good I think institute. So thank you guys. If you want to watch the same content and same, if you want to explore many places, so keep watching our channel Incredible Sachin, and don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to like our channel.